The data that we are presenting this evening is a snapshot of the last 12 months, which encompasses both 20, 21, and 22 market data. All the lease data is presented in a triple net equivalent for consistency across the data points. Looking back like this can help us make smarter forecasts and show some emerging trends. And even as interest rates put the brakes on for some buyers, we're still seeing a great deal of capital in the market, including 1031 buyers looking to purchase. As we look back, the dominant theme across Bozeman has been low vacancy in every asset class. Now, on one hand, that means that the sale and lease prices are up. And so if you owned a building in late 2021 and early 2022, those were boom months when it came to the prices you could get for your asset. But that also meant, unfortunately, that if you outgrew your building or needed another facility, the lack of inventory meant you were hamstrung as well. In turn, even owners who wanted to move and put their smaller buildings or buildings on the market couldn't or didn't because they had nowhere to go. That causes some gridlock in the market, with some people holding on to space that might be better suited for a business in a different phase of growth. What may be balancing low vacancy in the upcoming 12 to 24 months are many large commercial projects coming to the market. But as we saw throughout the last 12 months, new builds can be a gamble because of the spiking construction costs that I think we're all aware of. It's important to put Bozeman vacancy in perspective. Nationwide vacancy, retail vacancy is 10.3% according to CoStar data, which is triple our local vacancy of just under 2.6%. Industrial assets are tough to find, both in Montana and nationwide, with our low vacancy of 0.4%, which is even lower than the national vacancy of around 4%. Finally, Bozeman's office vacancy is at 3.01% versus a national vacancy rate of nearly 20% per JLL. I'll let one of my colleagues go over multifamily in more detail a little bit later as we have more recent data to share. Overall, commercial inventory is light across the board with high demand, limited land supply, and a fear of construction costs. Given how fast Bozeman has expanded, it's no surprise that we're experiencing growing pains in the commercial real estate sector.